Friends, families, and future clients, this is your dependable broker, Broker Nick, and I'm here right now at the heart of Cabuyao City. So here in Edesha, Cabuyao. So if you're looking for a resort type living here in Cabuyao, so ito na po yun. So I'm here to feature yung Sora model nila. So, Sora model is a single attached unit, meaning meron po siyang single firewall. Ayan. And it sits on a minimum lot area of 80 square meters and a floor area of 52.25 square meters. Meron po itong dalawang bedroom, meron siyang isang toilet and bath and a carport, plus may balcony pa po. So, let's see. Tara, papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. So, upon entry, makikita nyo po, so napakalaki po na magiging carport natin. So ikasya po dito yung isa or dalawang SUV. Ayan po. Then makikita nyo yung design ng bahay. Very modern po. And as usual, kapag po galing kasi kay Edesha, so magaganda yung mga yung mga materials na ginagamit nila at malalaki po yung mga windows. Ayan. So punta po tayo. So kailangan ko hubarin yung aking shoes kasi bawal sa model unit. Ayan. So makikita po natin, here is yung first floor. Ayan. So here is a perspective po nung kanilang living area. Okay? So FYI lang po, ang deliverables po ng ating Sora model is core type deliverables, meaning wala po yung tiles, wala po siyang wall paint, and wala po siyang ceiling sa taas. Bare na bare po. So ang advantage po nun is para po masunod yung preference nyo and at the same time, mabibili po natin yung unit at a much lower cost. Ayan po. So, going here, ito naman po yung dining area. Then, meron po tayo ditong access door papunta dito sa ating, sa ating magiging proposed carport o kaya pwede nyo yung maging lanay area. Ayan. Okay. Here is the kitchen. Ayan po. So, ito po yung kitchen natin. Again, core deliverables po. So, this is just a dress-up unit. So, ito po yung perspective. Pero pag makikita nyo, ang deliverables po nito is meron na siyang sink, meron siyang faucet, yun po. Then, all these are all additional. So, going here, ito po yung magiging bathroom. So, sa deliverables naman po niyan is complete bathroom accessories. Yan. Then, let's go to second floor. Yan. Second floor naman po, ang kanilang mga stairs. Ayan po, concrete na po. Ang handrails po natin ay made up of steel. Yan. Ang height po ng ceiling natin is approximately 2 meters. Then, going here, so ito po yung hallway natin. So, napaka-spacious po ng hallway. So, pwede pa po tayo maglagay ng gamit dyan. Then, here is your first bedroom. So, ito po yung perspective ng dress-up unit, pero depende po kung paano nyo po i-maximize yung space. So, ito po ang first bedroom. Yan po, for the kids. Yan, very spacious. And pwede po kayo maglagay dito ng mga built-in cabinets. Going here sa second bedroom. So, ito po. So, this is your master's bedroom. Ayan, so more likely, a family of 5 to 6 will fit very conveniently dito sa Sora model natin. Ayan. And but wait, there's more. Meron po tayong balcony. Ayan. So, to enjoy the view of Cabuyao City and here in Edesha. Ayan. Then, someone are asking, kumbaga, ano po ba ang mga amenities dito? So, ang amenities dito sa Edesha is meron siyang clubhouse, meron po siyang basketball court, meron po siyang pathway para sa mga dogs natin, and meron po siyang swimming pool. Ayan, so to know more about the project, you can contact me and sana may nakita nyo yung ganda dito sa Edesha, Cabuyao East. Okay, so to know more about the details, kindly contact me on the details below. Okay, thank you for watching.